my name is Mulemo, and in this video, I will be presenting part 1 of my EventEase venue booking system assignment. It is called EventEase1. This system is designed to help booking specialists manage venues, events, and bookings more efficiently by replacing manual processes with a structured web application. To begin with, I designed the database using an entity relationship diagram. This system consists of 3 main entities: venue, event, and booking. The booking table acts as a junction table between venue and event. A venue can have 0 or many bookings, and an event can also have 0 or many bookings. Each booking is linked to exactly 1 venue and 1 event. This structure allows the system to represent a many-to-many relationship between venues and events, while keeping the database normalized and efficient. I also created a SQL database script that defines primary keys for each table and foreign key constraints in the booking table. These constraints ensure referential integrity, meaning that a venue or event cannot be deleted in it if it is associated with an existing booking. Additionally, each booking includes a unique booking reference to ensure that all bookings are distinct. Moving on to the application development, I built the system using ASP.NET Core MVC. The project follows the model view controller architecture, where modules represent the data structure, controllers handle application logic, and views manage the user interface. I created separate models, controllers, and views for venue, event, and booking. Entity Framework Core is used to connect the application to the SQL local DB database, allowing for seamless data interaction. The application supports full CRUD functionality. For venues, users can create, view, update, and delete venue records, including details such as name, location, capacity, and an image URL. The same functionality applies to the events, where users can manage event details such as name, description, and start and end dates. For bookings, users can create records that link a specific event to a venue, demonstrating the relationships defined in the database. There are also important business rules implemented in the system. For example, a venue or event cannot be deleted if it has associated booking. This prevents data inconsistencies and ensures that existing bookings are not lost. Additionally, the system prevents duplicate bookings by checking if booking already exists for a given venue and event combination before allowing it to be created. For this phase of the project, I used placeholder image URLs for venues and events instead of implementing file uploads. This helps the application simple while still meeting the requirements, and it will be enhanced in the next phase. In terms of configuration, the application is connected to SQL local DB through the app settings.json file. This allows the system to store data locally. I verified that data persists by creating records, stopping the application and restarting it, and confirming that the data remains available. This demonstrates that the database connection is correctly configured and functioning as expected. Finally, I considered cloud computing concepts related to this project. Deploying an application in the cloud differs from on-premises deployment in several ways. Cloud platforms offer built-in security features such as encryption and monitoring. Faster deployment since infrastructure is already available, and flexible resource management through scaling and pay-as-you-go pricing. There are three main cloud service model: infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. For EventEase, platform as a service would be most suitable option because it allows developers to focus on building and managing the application without worrying about maintaining the underlying infrastructure. In conclusion, this project demonstrates the successful design and implementation of a data-driven web application using ASP.NET Core MVC. It includes a well-structured database, full CRUD functionality, and proper handling of relationships and business rules. This completes part 1 of the EventEase system, and future phases will focus on enhancing functionality and deploying the application to the cloud. Thank you.